Welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 21st to the 23rd of April 2025 on Monday. Gcina tried to stop devastated Vusi, but he confronted his parent about a very serious matter. Sibongile put his father's mind at ease regarding her education on Tuesday. Vusi is eager to celebrate and want to take Kwenzo out of the darkness, but Njengaye has some harsh words for him. Vuma and Samge drops a bomb on the family on Wednesday. Tired of Sangweni's relentless disrespect, Samge takes a drastic action and involve law enforcement. Nomfundo's world is turned upside down when Njengaye makes a shocking proposition. Well guys, that is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.